I'm like standing here right now because the lighting is so much better to like stand up here. Today is what? Today is 21st of December 2024, and I'm not ready to end this year, as this year has been like literally open my eyes and it was December.
Nani?
Like nothing really like dramatic things happened this year, and so crazy. Yesterday we were watching TV show, and then we saw Hong Kong, so we were like, what should we do it during New Year's Eve? And then we're like, should we go Hong Kong? So yesterday we booked flight to Hong Kong, so we're so excited to go there and do yum cha. It's gonna be like super fun. We will eat so much food. I'm super excited for that's why I'm looking forward to 2025. Anyway, I recently went to Japan and I thought it would be fun to do little haul because I quite bought a lot of things. So I want to show you guys that. To start off, I bought some cosmetics in the drugstore, and this is Kanebo brown eyeliner. I haven't tried it yet, so let's open this up and try it. I usually use brown color because it gives more like natural look. Oh, the tip is like this. Okay, let's see. I already have an eyeliner on, so I don't know what to draw. I should try this inner corner. 되게 괜찮은데? 생각보다. There is a little bit of bleeding going on. Oh. Oh. But I like it. I think they said this is waterproof. I couldn't read Japanese, but I think it said it is strong with water or something like that here. So I bought this liner, and the reason why I'm not wearing blush is because I wanted to try this blush. 잘 안 보이는데 이렇게 it's like this. It's like coral color. I love this brush. It's so cute. Let's try. Might be a little bit too warm for my skin. Should look into the mirror. 괜찮은데? Okay. The other side to match. Oh, I really like this brush. It's so smooth. So much better than the Benefit brushes. Okay. The color is number 5. Next, these are highlighters that I bought, number 1, 2, and 4. So let's try these. First, number 1 was the brightest color. Ooh, so pretty. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Crazy. Oh, might be too bright on the eyes. Okay. Whoa. Oh, it's a little bit too much. I'm trying to blend it. It's strong. Okay. Wow. Impressive. Number 1. Let's try number 2. Number 2 is little. It looks like blush. I feel like it would just kind of like match with my skin tone. I don't know where to use it now. Okay, let's try here. Oh wow, it's like really subtle and like matches my skin tone really well. Can you tell the difference? Let's try under my eyes. Let's see. Okay. Cool. I think so far this is my favorite color. Number 2. That's my favorite color. And number 4 is a little more towards like saturated pink color, I think. It's like this. Oh, the color is so pretty. Okay, I'll try it on my cheek. Near my cheekbones. Let's see. Whoa. Whoa. It's really strong. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Whoa. I think this gives like you very like dewy look, like wet look, kind of. Wow, so pretty. I love it. Okay, it's literally so crazy. I have never put this much highlighter on in my entire life. I look like I can like shoot laser. Okay, cool. That's that. And then I already opened this. How do you read this? Maculage eyelash curler. I think they're also under Shiseido brand, because when I bought Shiseido, I realized, hey, they like look the same and they shape the same. Their shape is the same. I really like. I liked it, but then like it didn't really match my eye shape. This one was a little flat, like a little more flatter than what I normally use. So like it wouldn't like grab the whole side of my eyelashes. Yeah. But overall it curls really well and it's really steady and firm. And then I bought a small eyelash curler for your corners of your eyes. Oh, it's from Shiseido. Nice. Actually, I haven't tried this. Maybe I can try on the side a little bit. Ooh. Wow, it's really good. I wish I got so bothered by this back side of my eyes, but it got really lifted on this corner. Do you see? Anyway, but this is great purchase. I'm very happy with this. And also I bought refills for the rubber. I haven't tried, but my friend was raving about this. It's facial mask made with rice water. So maybe I'll try this tonight. And then, well, I actually didn't buy this from Japan, but this you can buy from Japan. 보온병 영어로 뭐지? Like hot water keeper, hot water bottle, kettle. But it's not really kettle, is it? Is this kettle? What do you call this? Anyway, you keep water in here, hot water in here. And it's a cat shape. So I thought that was really cute. You can buy this in Japan, a place called MoMA, I think. But I bought this online. And because it was cheaper, I think. Yeah, you can buy this online. The brand is Helios. Oh, it's made in Germany. Cool. It's made in Germany, not from Japan. So it's like like socks, winter socks at home. I forgot what shop it was, but it was in the Nishiki market area on the street. So cute. And inside there's another cloth though. Should wear this. It's really cold here in Korea. I bought this chocobi because I'm like big Shinjang's fan. So I always see him eating this, so I wanted to get more. And I bought this. It tastes so good. It's like miso barbecue sauce. It's like miso is like soybean paste. And then they like kind of like mixed it so you can taste like miso. I've tried this in a restaurant, katsudon, and the sauce was so amazing. So I bought, and I already opened this. I already like ate. I only have like 2 left. It tastes so good. Should have bought more. I'll definitely recommend if you're in Japan, try this like a place called Yabaton, and their sauce is like amazing. Amazing. And bought this pudding. So good. This is like custard, milky, vanilla doesn't make sense. Like vanilla custard milk pudding. It tastes so good. Tastes so good. I think we bought like 7 and just like stuffed in our luggage, and we like only have like 2 left. So sad. This pudding is so good. I think it'll be like a 뭐지? With coffee espresso. Maybe we should try this with coffee espresso. 그 다음에는, you might think that I'm so crazy. Everybody thought I was really crazy to buy this. I bought it from a vintage shop. At first I was just like looking, and then this lady was super nice to me. And when I saw this pot, I was like, oh my god, that is so cute. And it was like 3,000 yen. So I was like, yeah, let's think upon that, because this is quite big to fit in a luggage. And while I was having lunch around that shop, I realized I really wanted to get this because I saw the price, try to find in Korea, and it was like 12만 won, and I was like, oh my god, it's so expensive. So 3,000 yen was like so worth it. It's like almost like, what? 얼마지? Yeah. So anyway, this was like so cheap compared to buying in Korea, and you cannot find in Korea. You have to like buy from like a second hand from somebody else. But I think this is like Japanese brand called Jojirushi or something like that. Yeah, but this was like such a good condition. I think this was like a new. I don't know how this can be a vintage. Yeah. I bought this. I think it'll be so cute if we cook like shabu shabu in here. So crazy. But I'm so happy with my purchase. And I did a lot of gacha. And one of this thing was not gacha. I bought this from like a toy section. And this is a Toastman from Anpanman character. And it's like sitting here. You can place him in the car. So cute. Yeah, and then you can obviously roll it because it has reels. It's so cute. Like, it's so like delicate.